Choose the appropriate gasket according to the handlebar. Use a wrench to loosen the bracket. Remove the gasket and insert the Z-shaped bracket into the gasket. Put it back into the bracket and tighten the screws with a wrench. Use a wrench to loosen the bracket. Connect the bracket to the spherical bracket on the host. Install the previously installed bracket onto it. Tighten with a wrench. The bracket can adjust the angle freely. After adjusting the angle, tighten the bracket with a wrench. Put on the gasket. The first installation method, fasten the Velcro to the upper and lower side with screws. After fixed, it can be installed in the appropriate position. The second installation method, select the size of the handlebar fixing accessories according to the handlebar condition. After the selection, fix the screw and tighten it with a wrench. First, install the shock-absorbing rubber ring onto the camera. Then install the circular bracket onto it. Place the gasket into the base. After fixing the bracket with screws, insert the metal sheet into the screw for installation. After installing the nuts, tighten and secure with a wrench. After installing the camera bracket, you can attach it to the appropriate position on the motorcycle with tape. Take out the wet wipes from step E. Wipe the dust off the screen. Take out the dry wipes from step R. Dry the screen. Tear off the protective film. Stick it on the screen. Squeeze out the bubbles. Tear off the protective film on the other side. Installation completed.